So these chicken breasts were seasoned today with Big Steve's chicken seasoning.
Flashback.
All right, so I got some mail. So this package came from Steve. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. We have some beef seasoning. We have some pork seasoning. Holy cow. We have some chicken seasoning. We got some jerk seasoning. And we have a fish seasoning. So let's see. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Hey yo, this is Dash.
Get ready.
Hey yo, this is Dash. Taste testing number 2, taste testing number 1, taste testing number 3 might join us. But today, I have a chicken breast. And I don't know, I may have overcooked this. Here, we'll get more. Well, that's the tail end, it's a little smaller. Alright, taste it. Taste it. Now, full disclosure, they're not big fans of chicken breast, so I don't know why my wife took out chicken breast. It's cooked. It's finished. Taste test number 1, come join us. Well, 3. Yeah, taste that. Tell me what you think.
It tastes good, it's cooked.
Yeah.
So
It tastes really good. Yeah. Taste wise, it's really good. I think it was out there too long.
Oh, that was my phone.
sorry. I mean, it's not bad.
It tastes like a lunch meat to me.
No,
But,
it tastes
you know,
like chicken.
well, yeah, but so you guys have had chicken breast lunch meat. Just take the piece of chicken recently.
Looking like lunch meat taste with the chicken.
But it tastes good. Like the seasoning on it is fine. Let's talk about the seasoning.
Seasoning is really good.
So
The seasoning to me, it had like this tiniest kick, like when we first put it in your mouth, you're like, whoa, 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 all this flavor in there. I'm like,
balance more chicken. You just keep sliding, just put it this way. Close.
I'm good. I'm still turning the second one.
So it's a very balanced flavor. Not too sweet, not very salty.
Not too spicy.
No, I don't see it not salty at all.
Like,
I don't get any salt.
it's a little salty.
You can taste it. No.
I can taste the salt.
No.
Exactly.
You can't.
Yes.
What if I did put salt in there?
No. So the whole thing is,
It's like it hits all the bases,
yeah,
but real faintly. But it's good.
It is good. You can taste the salt. The whole thing is you just, the problem is you taste the salt when stuff is too salty and you notice the salt only. When it's balanced, you shouldn't taste the salt.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
I call dibs on this piece.
Hey, I'm trying to take the last piece.
Yeah, I call dibs. Dibs is rules.
Not right now, no.
I had the knife. Now you get the smallest piece.
You look out this.
Exactly. Just take the whole fork at this point. Alright, so is this something you guys would like to see or taste again?
Yes.
Definitely.
Especially the seasoning.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, dude.
You gave it to me.
No, I put on the wrong plate. All right.
Slightly.
Okay. So let's see. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Oh, we got. Come on. This is really good. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 thumbs up. Definitely agree. So this seasoning.
Well, the thinner pieces taste a little smoky too.
Well, that could have just been the grill, yeah. I didn't put any wood in with the grill or in with the chips. I mean, excuse me, in with the charcoal. I did this quickly on Charlotte. Just used a little bit of lump and a little bit of briquettes. And I dumped them out, spread them out on the bottom of the grill itself. Cooked these indirectly for a little while, then cooked them directly over the heat for a little while, and that was that. Temped them, brought them in the house, and we tasted them. So these chicken breasts were seasoned today with Big Steve's chicken seasoning. Is this something that you would like to have again?
Yes.
So now, all right. So with this one, we're finished up with this one. I will be using or trying to use this chicken seasoning on other pieces of chicken. This was a boneless, skinless breast. Probably not the best test for this particular piece of chicken or cut of chicken. They are not breast fans. They like dark meat, so thighs, legs. I like chicken breasts. I like chicken wings. They don't. My wife included in the legs and thighs like. But I think this was a very successful test. I didn't tell you what we were trying or what we were doing. I just said taste this. And you guys did a great job in explaining to me how you felt and what you liked and what you didn't like. So I want to say thank you guys for helping me with that. So you guys, thank you so very much for watching. Again, from Taste Testing number 3, Taste Testing number 2, and Taste Testing number 1. Thank you so very much for watching. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. If you like what you saw today, if you learned something, please leave me a thumbs up and a comment down below. Don't forget, we go live every Wednesday night, and sometimes Taste Tester number 1 graces us with a little introduction bass guitar playing. What would we call that?
Like a warm-up?
A warm-up. All right. He does the live show warm-up, via the bass for about 10 to 15 minutes. Anyway, Wednesday nights, just before 9 p.m. I usually say 9 p.m., but just before 9 p.m. Eastern is when he'll go live. And then 9 p.m. Eastern, I go live. We'll talk for 2 hours. Typically, the first hour something barbecue related. The second hour, we shoot the breeze and we talk about what. Thank you guys so very much, as always, again for watching. I'll see you next time.
Oh, bottom, baby.